Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of vegetables that can help reduce subcutaneous fat. Incorporating specific veggies into your diet not only supports weight management but also boosts your overall health. These nutrient-packed foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them essential for a balanced lifestyle. Reducing subcutaneous fat is crucial, as it can lower the risk of various health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. So, if you're looking to enhance your wellness journey, stick around as we explore the best veggies to add to your plate for a healthier you. Subcutaneous fat is the layer of fat located just beneath the skin, giving your body its shape and cushioning. Unlike visceral fat, which surrounds internal organs and poses greater health risks, subcutaneous fat is generally less harmful but can still impact your health if present in excess. High levels of subcutaneous fat can lead to issues such as insulin resistance, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Managing body fat, including subcutaneous fat, is essential for overall well-being, as it can improve metabolic health, enhance physical appearance, and boost self-esteem. Understanding this balance is key to a healthier lifestyle. Spinach and kale are powerhouse leafy greens that offer incredible benefits for those looking to reduce subcutaneous fat. These greens are low in calories yet packed with essential nutrients, making them an ideal addition to any diet. Their high fiber content promotes satiety, helping you feel full longer and reducing overall calorie intake. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron, spinach and kale support fat loss by boosting metabolism and enhancing overall health. Incorporating these leafy greens into your meals can be a delicious and effective way to achieve your wellness goals. Broccoli and cauliflower are exceptional cruciferous vegetables known for their fat-reducing properties. Rich in fiber, these veggies aid digestion and promote weight loss by keeping you feeling satisfied and preventing overeating. Additionally, they have the potential to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to shed excess weight. Their versatility is another highlight. You can enjoy them steamed, roasted, or blended into smoothies, adding flavor and nutrition to a variety of dishes. Incorporating broccoli and cauliflower into your meals can be a delicious way to support your health and fitness goals. Peppers, including bell peppers and chili peppers, offer fantastic fat-burning benefits that can enhance your weight loss journey. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound known to boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. On the other hand, bell peppers are low in calories yet high in nutrient density, providing essential vitamins like C and A without adding extra pounds. Their vibrant flavors can elevate any dish, making it easy to incorporate them into your meals. So, whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or in sauces, adding peppers can enhance both flavor and health. Sweet potatoes and carrots are excellent root vegetables that can aid in fat reduction. Both are high in fiber, which promotes fullness and helps control appetite, making it easier to manage calorie intake. Additionally, they have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent cravings. These nutritious veggies can be enjoyed in a variety of creative cooking methods, such as roasting, mashing, or even spiralizing. By incorporating sweet potatoes and carrots into your meals, you can enjoy delicious flavors while supporting your weight loss goals. Beans and lentils play a significant role in reducing subcutaneous fat, thanks to their high protein and fiber content. These legumes are not only filling but also help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for weight management. By incorporating beans and lentils into your meals, you can replace higher calorie foods, leading to a lower overall calorie intake without sacrificing satisfaction. Their versatility allows for endless culinary possibilities, from hearty soups to flavorful salads and veggie burgers. So, don't hesitate to explore various recipes featuring legumes. They can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Incorporating veggies like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, peppers, root vegetables, and legumes into your balanced diet is essential for reducing subcutaneous fat and enhancing overall health. These nutrient-dense foods not only promote satiety but also support metabolism and blood sugar regulation. By taking actionable steps towards healthier eating, you can make a significant impact on your wellness journey. We hope you feel inspired to add these delicious vegetables to your meals. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family for more valuable content on healthy living. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle.